So welcome everyone to my NYC studio apartment. It's pretty empty right now. So this is the living space, and it comes with pretty nice 2 large size windows, which I really like. And a table was left behind for me too. This is pretty much the intercom that lets people in. And it has pretty high ceilings for a studio too, if you guys could see from this view. It's not bad at all. Excuse the mess over there. These are just a couple of boxes and my luggage bag. She is gonna come back to repaint that wall back to its original color. And it's so neat how I have a fire escape. And look at my first plant. Plant mom coming soon. I really like it a lot. And I'm probably gonna take some time out here to just, do some writing, take pictures, and just relax and eat. This probably is the most New York feel that I get, and it is snowy outside. And then this is my AC unit right here. I also, I don't need it now, but for the summertime. And this is very essential. I did not want to move in without having any internet whatsoever. So I'm really glad that I have that. And this is from this view. So it goes all the way back, if you guys can see. And it has pretty good storage. The kitchen was renovated, so it has a lot of cabinet spacing here. Not bad. Microwave, dish rack that was left behind. More cabinet space down here. And that's all. I haven't cleaned the place yet. I'm still working on that. And so this is a storage unit right here, which really is neat because it goes all the way back here. This is where it stops. I'm probably gonna throw in my luggage bags in there and the AC unit since I don't need it right now. And this door leads into the bathroom. And it's not a full-size fridge, but it's good enough for me. And it has a pretty good-sized freezer in here too. Not bad. And that's part of the AC unit, which is also gonna go up there. Wow, I'm kind of short, so I'm gonna need to get a ladder to get up there. And this is the closet right here. Definitely gonna throw that away. And it goes more storage space back there. I'm probably gonna get some extra rods, put them in here, get like, a row for shirts and pants. We'll see how that goes. And this is the bathroom right here. The only downfall about the bathroom is when you turn the lights on, it has a noise. I'm not sure if you could hear it, but it's okay. And look at the amount of storage over here. Look at that. Look at that storage space. Wow, I can't wait to go and buy a couple of baskets, some storage bins, put a couple hair products in there, cleaning stuff will definitely go into the cabinet right here. And it's a glass mirror, which is pretty neat. Pretty neat. More storage space. That's one thing I really like about this unit. It's the storage space. And this is the sink right here. And guess what? More storage space. Pretty excited about that. And this comes out. I could throw in some more stuff in here. I don't know. We'll figure that out. And definitely probably all my cleaning products will go under here. And it's a regular sized bathtub. So that's pretty neat, which I really like. Shower head looks good. This is it. Most likely I will incorporate a long, what is it called? I think it's called the shower caddy. The tower one, the shelving one. But once I put everything together, I'll let you know. I haven't cleaned, once again. This is the floor pattern. And this is my tour.